So everyone, we're here in Lyngshei. We actually made a vlog here after the first time we did not get to Philippines, and we're supposed to be in Boracay here, but we are there in winter time, so it was all covered in snow here. But now it's summer. It's a really good place. You can go up here easily by car, and you can bring your tent. You can sleep here. I did myself some years ago, and enjoy the nature here. It's so nice. Just look behind me. It's a really big landscape. There is not so much trees, some bushes, but it's really nice. It's airy here. Actually now the temperature is quite hot by sea level, so it's quite colder here and nice. Welcome to Songesand Lysefjorden. This is the place that before used to be a dock, ferry dock. It's still a ferry dock in Lysefjorden, but before, I think it was in 1994, this road from Årdal and all over the mountain until Lysefjord was built. Before that, there was no road connection into Lysefjorden. So that means that all the people that was living here You can see up here there is some farms, everything, and all up in the mountain there and everything there was farms. So people living here, they had to take the boat back and forward. So this is where they go to the boat. Today it's not traveled by a ferry in a normal time of the year, but in the summer there is a tourist ferry going here. So this ferry you can really take if you're going to Flørli or Skjerag, Lysefjorden. Lysefjorden is the end of the fjord, and you can take the ferry from here, going from here, or you can take it from the start of Lysefjorden. That's your choice. But if you prefer to drive a bit and not be so long on the boat, this is a good option. So now we're just here. There is quite a bit of cars here, but that's mostly tourists, and it's us checking out the area.